In this video, we're going to go over how to round decimals to the nearest hundredth. So say I were to give you the two decimals of 2.346 and I were to give you the other decimal of 7.821. And I told you to round these two to the nearest hundredth, how would you do that? Well, let's start with the first one. 2.346, our 3 is going to be in the 10th spot, our 4 is going to be in the 100th spot, and our 6 is going to be in the 1000th spot. So I want you to remember the rule of 5 or more, raise the score, and 4 or less, let it rest. So what we're going to do is we want to round it to the 100th spot, which is going to be where this is, the 4. So we're going to look 1 to the right, and that's going to be the 6. And that's where we're going to apply the rule. So 6 is greater than 5, so we're going to raise the score. So we're going to increase 4 to 5, and then we're going to remove the 6. And so our final answer, rounded to the nearest hundredth, is going to be 2.35. Now let's try the other decimal, and let's apply the same rule. So here we have 7.821. Our 8 is going to be in the 10th spot, our 2 is going to be in the 100th, and our 1 is going to be in the 1000th spot. And so we want to round it to the nearest hundredth, and so we need to look 1 to the right at the 1000th spot, and we apply a rule. So 5 or more, raise the score, and 4 or less, let it rest. So 1 applies to the 4 or 1, 4 or less, let it rest. And so what we're going to do is we're going to leave it as 2. And so our final answer, here rounded to the nearest hundredth, is going to be 7.82. Now let's try one more problem. This time pause the video and try it on your own. But say I were to give you the question 5.675. Now I want you to apply the same rule, but pause the video and try it on your own. And when you come back, you'll see that the process remains the exact same. Our 6 is in our 10th spot, our 7 is in the 100th spot, and the second 5 is in the 1000th spot. And so we want to round to the nearest hundredth. And so we're going to look 1 to the right at the 1000th spot, and we apply our rule. So 5 or more, raise the score, and 4 or less, let it rest. So this falls into the first category, so we're going to raise the score. And so our final answer here is going to be 5.68. And that's our final answer. So just remember here that you always want to look 1 digit to the right before rounding, and that's going to help you not round to the wrong digit. So if you round, say, to the nearest 10th instead of the nearest hundredth, you're going to get the question wrong, and you don't want that. I hope this video helped. Thank you.